Hello everyone, in this video I show you how to unfollow on TikTok. First method. Through the profile page, go to the profile page of the user you want to unsubscribe from. Tap the icon that looks like a person with the check mark on it. Third way. Go to your profile page and click on the next option under your username. You will be shown a list of everyone you have subscribed to. Click the unfollow button to the right of the username to unsubscribe. Put likes, subscribe to the channel and stay with us.